Hi, it's Courtney at TemperaturePro, and I wanted to take a moment to share one of our many Google reviews that has recently come in. This particular review is from Sarah, and thank you, Sarah, so much for taking the time to share. Sarah left us a 5-star review, and she said, I had a fantastic experience with TemperaturePro from start to finish. Everything was smooth, professional, and stress-free. Brett Johnson was the technician who came out to help, and he was absolutely outstanding. Brett was punctual, knowledgeable, and took the time to explain everything in a way that I could understand. He quickly diagnosed the issue with our AC and had it running like new in no time. Not only was he professional, but he was incredibly courteous and respectful of our home. It's rare to find this level of service these days. If you're looking for a reliable, honest HVAC help, ask Brett Johnson at Temperature Pro. Highly recommend him. Thank you, Sarah. Appreciate the kind words, and I look forward to sharing with Brett.